Ubiquiti UniFi Network Video Recorder Pro! Honest proof it's worth the rack space! If you manage cameras across multiple locations, buildings, or facilities, you already know the quiet stress of wondering whether your footage is actually safe, accessible, and ready when it matters most. The Ubiquiti UniFi Network Video Recorder Pro is a rack-mounted, enterprise-grade NVR built to carry exactly that kind of operational weight every single day. It stores, manages, and delivers high-resolution video from dozens of cameras simultaneously, all from one centralized system with no monthly subscription fees attached. It supports up to 70 HD cameras, 35 cameras in 2K, or 24 full 4K streams running at once, with 7 hot-swappable drive bays holding everything securely. Think of it as the backbone your surveillance setup has always needed but never quite had. Imagine never second-guessing your footage again. Here is what the Ubiquiti UniFi Network Video Recorder Pro actually delivers, where it counts most every single day. 7 hot-swappable drive bays support up to 168 terabytes of raw storage, giving you weeks or even months of retention, depending on your camera count and resolution settings. RAID 1, 5, and 10 configurations protect your footage automatically. Even if a drive fails mid-operation, your recordings stay intact, your team stays calm, and your coverage never drops. Here is where it gets interesting. A 10 gigabit SFP Plus uplink handles the full bandwidth of dozens of simultaneous 4K streams without creating a bottleneck, while the 1.3-inch front touchscreen gives you instant local system status at a glance without needing a laptop nearby. UniFi Protect runs natively, keeping cameras, alerts, playback, and multi-site management inside one clean interface. No cloud fees, no per-camera licensing, just consistent, scalable performance built for the long run. Which matters more to you right now, storage depth or camera scalability? Drop your answer below. A corporate training manager overseeing more than 40 cameras across several facilities described switching to the Ubiquiti UniFi Network Video Recorder Pro as a complete shift in how their security team operated day to day. Before, pulling footage meant navigating clunky software, crossing fingers, and hoping the right window had actually been captured. After a setup that took less than 2 hours, every feed was live, clearly labeled, and instantly searchable from any device. There was an initial hesitation. The system felt almost too clean and straightforward for a deployment of that scale. That doubt lasted exactly 1 week. Their coordinator pulled clear, legally usable footage from a parking lot incident in under 3 minutes. Every reservation disappeared in that moment. The transformation is not loud or dramatic. It is quiet, consistent reliability. The kind that makes you stop thinking about your surveillance system entirely because it simply never lets you down. After testing a few options, one thing became very clear. Do not just pick any network video recorder. Make sure it has automated RAID configuration with hot swappable drives so you never waste your time scrambling to recover lost footage after a single drive failure again. The Ubiquiti UniFi Network Video Recorder Pro goes further than any comparable system at this price point. An industry analyst called it the most capable NVR Pro deployments, reported 0 unplanned service interruptions across all sites over an extended production period, a track record that is genuinely difficult to argue against. A regional hospital IT director chose this system specifically because all AI analytics process locally, meaning sensitive video data never leaves the facility's own infrastructure. That is a non-negotiable requirement in regulated environments, and this system satisfies it cleanly. Storage Review confirmed the build quality as robust and professionally appropriate, praising the toolless drive bays and locking power cable as details that reflect real engineering discipline. Which matters most to you? Comment 1 for storage depth, 2 for AI analytics, or 3 for 0 licensing fees. The Ubiquiti UniFi Network Video Recorder Pro delivers enterprise-grade surveillance without the complexity, cloud dependency, or ongoing licensing costs that usually come with it. Thousands of IT teams, integrators, and facility managers already run their full camera infrastructure on this system every day without looking back. I have dropped my link in the description and pinned it at the top. Just click and see if it fits your setup. You deserve a system that simply works.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.